Good morning to all of you. Welcome, viewers. I welcome all of you to the official YouTube channel of Vidyasagar classes. As usual, I am Pradeep Mahapatra going to discuss the English paper of previous year BD science questions. And as you know, most of the questions will be based on comprehension, word power, and little bit of grammar. So, let us start from the question number 1. Choose the most appropriate similar meaning of the brief. There are four options given: little, short, limited, small. Little ଗୋଟେ ବାକ୍ୟ କହୁଛି I saw my little brother. ତ ଏଠି ବ୍ରିଫ୍ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କିଛି ମିନିଂ ଆସୁନି, ଛୋଟ ସେନ୍ସରେ ଆସୁଛି। ବା ଲିଟିଲ୍ ୱାଟର ଇଜ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ଗ୍ଲାସ୍ ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ସେନ୍ସରେ ଆସୁଛି, ତେଣୁ ବ୍ରିଫ୍ ସହିତ କିଛି ହେଉନି। ଲିମିଟେଡ୍ I have limited money ବା no money. Limited connectivity in the internet तुमମାନେ ଦେଖିଥିବ, so negative sense ରେ ଆସୁଛି। Small, tiny, I saw a small bird, ଏଠି ବି brief ଆସୁନି। ତ brief ର ଏଠି time ଆସୁଛି, wait for a brief period, short period। ତ ଏଠି short ଟା appropriate ହେଉଛି, the answer is B. B is the answer. I have highlighted the answer B. Then question number 2. Select the correct option. There is dash cat under the table. Option ଅଛି an, a, no article, the. First of all, what is an article? Article is used before nouns. Consonant sound thile a hobo, vowel sound thile an umbrella, an inkpot. किंतु एठी cat अछि क sound consonant तेणु a हैला। नो आर्टिकल हबनी जेहेतु गोटे बिलेई अछि। द स्पेसिफिक बिलेई थिले द कैट व्हिच इज लिविंग इन आवर लोकालिटी इज ट्रबलिंग मी। तो एठी स्पेसिफिक कैट कथा कुहा जायनी, दी हबनी, तो आंसर इज ए। तो बी हैला हमर आंसर, ऑप्शन बी। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Select the correct form of the verb from the given options. My sister dash hamburgers. She thinks they are bad for her. So এটা habit বা hobby sense रे बा like sense रे अछि, simple present रो tense लागिबो। तो ऑप्शन देखि दबा, eats अछि किंतु she thinks they are bad means negative हबो। नेगेटिव पाई हमर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर कोन हबो? नेगेटिव ऑफ थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर हबो he don't ना he doesn't, he doesn't, she doesn't, तो she does not eat। प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव हबनी, इज इटिंग से हेलानी। फ्यूचर भी हबनी, विल इट हबनी, इट्स हबनी, पॉजिटिव सेंस रे नाही, तेणु आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। माय सिस्टर डज नॉट ईट हैमबर्गर्स। एबे आमे पैसेज को आसी जिबा, आ पैसेज रो डिटेल डिस्कशन पर क्वेश्चन को आसीबा। अकॉर्डिंग टू द पब्लिक ओपिनियन सर्वेज इन यूरोप and the United States, pink is the color most associated with charm. Charm माने कौन? जोटा तुमको अट्रैक्ट करुच्छ, पोलाइटनेस, जेंटलनेस, भद्रता, सेंसिटिविटी, संवेदनशीलता, टेंडरनेस, कोमलता, स्वीटनेस, मधुरता, सॉफ्टनेस, नरमता, चाइल्डहुड, बाल्यकाल, द फेमिनाइन, वुमेनहुड, एंड द रोमांटिक, बोल्ड, एडवेंचरस, रोमांटिक. Although it did not have any strong negative associations in these surveys, few respondents chose pink as their favorite color. So, pink को favorite color किसी मानुछंती. Pink was the favorite color. Only 2% of respondents compared with 45% chose blue. Pink was the least favorite color of 17% of respondents. The only color more disliked was brown. तो माने पिंक रो स्थिति भल नाही with 20%. There was a notable difference between men and women. 3% women chose pink as their favorite color compared with less than 1% of men. Many of the men surveyed were even unable to identify pink correctly, confusing with mauve. Second paragraph को आसीबा. Pink was the most popular with older people than younger. एटा गोटे अथर हमको कहउछंती 25% of women under 25 called pink as the least favorite color compared with only 8% women over 50. 29% of men under the age of 25 said pink is the least favorite color, compared with 8% of men in their 50s. In Japan, pink color most commonly associated with springtime due to blooming of cherry blossoms. जापान रे समय स्प्रिंग समय यहाँ चेरी ब्लॉसमटा पिंक कलर से मैंने एप्रिशिएट करती. This is different from surveys in United States and Europe, where the color is more associated with springtime. According to survey, Europe and pink is the color associated with sweet foods and beverage. मृदु पानीय और मिठा आम यूरोप और यूएस रे पिंक को एसोसिएट करिसेंती. Pink is one of the few colors to be strongly associated with a particular aroma. Aroma माने सुगंध. That is roses. गोलाप रो सुगंध सहित एठी पिंक को एसोसिएट करा जायछि. Many strawberry, raspberry flavored foods are colored pink and light red, as well as sometimes to distinguish them from cherry flavored foods that are more commonly colored dark red. Although raspberry flavored foods, particularly in the US, are often colored blue. The drink tab was packaged in pink cans, presumably subconsciously convey a sweet taste. Pink ta sweetness au amara beverage सहित associated US रे. एबे आंसर को आसीबा. I hope you have understood the passage. According to the survey of the passage, pink color was least favorite. Answer is A. 25% of women under 25. এটা আমার সেকেন্ড প্যারাগ্রাফ ফার্স্ট রু আমি দেখি সারছে. তো আনসর ইজ A. According to the public opinion surveys in Europe and the US, pink is associated with peace, sympathy, agility, femininity. Agility माने एक्टिवनेस, फेमिनिटी माने वुमन लाइक क्वालिटी. तो आम प्रथम पैराग्राफ मिडिल देखी पिंकटा ये फेमिनिटी, मास्कुलाइन है तार अपोजिट. अकॉर्डिंग टू द सर्वे इन यूरोप एंड यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, पिंक इज एसोसिएटेड विथ बेवरेजेस, चेरी फ्लेवर्ड फूड्स, मॉकटेल्स, स्प्रिंग टाइम. ऑब्वियसली स्वीटनेस आ बेवरेज आम देखी लास्ट बेलू पैराग्राफ रो. तेणु यहाँ हम बेवरेज. 7 नंबर को आस पे. Pink is the color of spring in Japan because of the blooming blossoms, blossom blue flowers, blooming cherry blossoms, springtime and red blossoms. So we have already discussed it in the last paragraph, blooming cherry blossoms. In the passage, the men surveyed confused the pink with first paragraph last uthila mauve. Select the correct form of the plural in the given option. With a 5-kilometer marathon walk I did this morning, my days are hurting. Options अच्छे feet, foot, feet, foots. Plural of foot is feet. तो answer is feet. She. जमती का हमारा tooth रो teeth. Last question. Choose the most appropriate similar meaning of the shallow. Option अच्छे artificial, superficial, worthless, foolish. गोटे sentence देइछि बुझिबा पई. He gave me a shallow promise. That means superficial, which is good for nothing. Artificial माने कृत्रिम, वर्थलेस मूल्यहीन, और फुलिश तुम मान जानिଛ बोका. तेणु आंसर हियर इज सुपरफिशियल. सो दिस इज द आंसर. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. सो थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग.